Today we are going through the process of the cleaning of the garden. It was quite nice experience. As you can see, garden consists of the common and quite widely spreaded plants on Madeira. Some of them already looking very bushy and need some hard trimming. Some of them has old leaves, dead bloom. Some of them overgrown, but yet garden looks quite promising. After analysis of the process and tasks, I started with the cleaning of the fence that was covered in dead branches of the climbing ivy plant. If you want your Beucarnea or Nalina or elephant feet tree thrive and look healthy, you can prune its blooming right to the bottom part or the center of the rows, and you will create the space for the new shoots to grow in a healthy, thick form. The cotton plant was a little guess for me. After we talked with the garden owner and she explained to me her vision of this plant, I decided to give it the regular styling with the pruning of extra branches and the branches that grows not correctly, and to shape it to let it grow to the top and to let it become more higher with the time. Juniper tree will need a little bit of help as well. Its branches was hanging too low and you was able to easily hit your head while you was walking next to it. So I cut it 2 branches and wired branches back. Schefflera behaves quite invasively in the climate of Madeira, so when you're pruning it, you don't need to be scared to take off the extra. In my case, I was shaping the tree according to the path. I decided to leave the foliage crown for plant to increase the density on this level. It took some time to shape the crassula fence, but now it will not scratch your legs. I also decided to shape each tree into the common to eat form, to cut all the long branches, because usually long branches making the crassula trees to fall from their center of the growth. So in a few months I'm expecting them to see like a nice green fresh pillows of new growth. As always, cleaning is a very important part of your work. Whenever you're doing hardening or coat, you need to clean after your work. After cleaning, it was much easier to work with the fence, so I cleaned it off spiky wiring, took off the curved ends of the poles, and we started the mounting of the bamboo fence. It was a pleasure to have such a qualified assistance during the process. Guys, thank you very much. Right after we mounted everything tight, I went inside of the garden and I was shocked. Just take a look for a second on this beautiful, cozy garden right in the middle of Funchal.